Today we're going to be doing a Sony Xperia Z original, not the Z1, Z2, or Z3. We're going to have to use hot to the touch on the back here. So there is a battery, so just do around it. Just get our tool in there and slice around. And set that off to the side here. Okay, so all we have to do is pop out the battery here and pop out this cable. Okay. Now there's connections over here, so we just want to pop out the battery from this side. Just get under and twist. It's really on there. Let's take this battery connection off here. Stuck on there pretty good. Looks like this cable's been replaced before. That's our LCD cable. And push this out here. Just like so. Just get it right there and push out. Okay, so this is connected. Just be very careful, it's very fragile. Okay, and this connection's under here. So we're just going to slide it in and out as we need to. Now let's heat it up here. Just go around this side here. We do have the digitizer only here. And also a full LCD. We're going to go ahead and try to put the full LCD on, and then we'll separate the glass and digitizer later on. It's the same method as doing the LG G3 separation I have on another video. So we want to try to salvage the screen, so just don't pull up too high on it. We got to separate the glue first with adhesive. Looks like something popping out there, that's fine. Looks like I need my other tool here, wherever it is. I just like my tool that gets in deeper. It's just the iSesame tool that's modified with hockey tape on it. We want to salvage the backlight if possible. So make sure you get under the backlight. If you're having trouble getting under it, open it up more here. There we go. Now I'm under the backlight and just slice around. Glass will typically move out of your way. If it doesn't, help it. I want to use stubborn glass.
Hey, wait for us, Christian. Christian wants to do the game fight. Wait for me, babe. Wait for me, Mama.
Okay, so this is starting to cool down. We're going to heat it back up. Thank you for calling Tech MD. This is Dustin. I'm going to help you. Oh, yeah, it's ready to go. Okay, and then, you know, I noticed that, your... So we're still trying to salvage the LCD here. Now that we got it pulled up a little bit, just start pulling up and warming up. Now that we got the adhesive loose. Should come right up. There we go. Okay, and then we'll be able to test that here once we're finished. If the adhesive is flat enough, you can just leave it there. If not, then go ahead and... Ow! Peel it off. Watch out for broken glass in there. I didn't see that. So what I do is just put a little layer of Gorilla Glue, and it usually works great for what I need to do. Make sure all the glass is cleaned up off it. Don't get any glue in the speaker there. I would think that would be obvious, but sometimes it's easy to miss the speakers because it's so black. So get a little Gorilla Glue. That's good for plastic and glue. Put a little on your tip here.
Oh, fat sex did you, naughty? Damn it. I lost all that cash. I got only $500. I got to put it in the bank.
Just want a thin coat. Not too thick. Just enough to connect this green here. Spread that across.
Let's go do some parachutations, dude.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
They really need, even if it's a little bit, man.
Okay, now that we got that all done here,
Man, please go, dude.
run your cable through there, and then your two connections into that hole. And start sealing it down. Okay, once it's sealed down, move this back out of the way and press that downward. Put this back in there, the mic. Plug this back in. And that's your speaker there. That has to be plugged back into that hole right there. Got that all pressed in. Now we take our knife here and pull this up, and then we're going to press it down and line it up here. This is not always the easiest process here. Make sure you don't cut your cables. Best to straighten it up and then line it in. Precise tweezers work too. Probably about what I'm about to get now. My very bent tweezers. This connection is pretty frustrating sometimes. Usually I can get it on the first time, but how it's lining up, it's not lining up very nicely here. I wish I could fit my finger in there.
What? Load up. Load up. Destroy it. Burn it. Load up. Whatever you can do.
Okay, after much effort, it's finally plugged in.
You get paid $1,000 to do it.
Let's remove this old label
Oh,
here.
yeah, I'm ready. Swimming pool. What did you get, sis?
Supposed to kind of tuck under there. We'll just get the battery on top of it, it'll be fine. Plug it in and test. Don't know if it's charged or not. No, it's not. It's flashing dead. We're gonna pause it for a minute. Okay, so we're just peeling off the adhesive out the back while that's charging.
I'm just kidding. I really didn't push it. Oh, damn, it's over in the glove. You take that one. Whatever.
Get some more Gorilla Glue.
You're the best one.
I'm just gonna spread it around.
Because you're good at it. Shit, where the heck did you go, boy? Something knocked you out of the sky? I'm not really worried about winning. I just want to earn some money. Even if it's not a whole lot of money.
Okay, now that we got the Gorilla Glue spread and the screen looks like it's finally ready to turn on here, what I'll do is it'll just flash red and then it'll turn red up here, and then eventually the screen will show that it's a bad or dead battery.
Man, I hate this one. I almost get this one.
So you want to put this under pressure for 2 hours before you put it.
I missed like 2 of
Dang,
them.
it's still dead. Before you
How many did you miss?
give it to the customer, you're gonna put it flat down on this glass, and you're gonna put like about a 10-pound weight on top of it, like a case of water, that kind of thing.
I don't know. How did you do that, Boogie?
Come on, Sony. And it's really dead. Oh, good. So we're going to go ahead and turn it off. Come on. Okay. And so if you visualize the screen being plugged in like this, then it would go directly right there. And then that way you can test it when you're testing out new screens. The only thing is you have to move the battery around a little bit to do that. So I'll show you how it's done, and this is how you test a brand new screen before installing it. This will save you a lot of hassle and trouble installing a bad screen. You should always order 2 of everything. I'm doing this is so that way I can find out if looks like the screen wants to turn on, so I'm just going to go ahead and unplug it from the charger here.
Holy crap, how did I get first? Did you finish? Oh. Okay, ready for the next one? What's your moment? You'll make 2 pieces. You do? Oh, man, it's like oh, man, okay. Go vote. Hurry, go vote. We don't need to smoke. I'm doing one that the sissy cannot do.
Come on.
No, top one, top one. Top one. Top one. Go to the top one. I gotta make sure Mama doesn't do she do a turn shoot. Mama's a professional pro.
Okay. I got that.
Seriously, don't put it up with her. Put that up with her, buddy. That's it, what you doing? That's what you're doing. Nah, I didn't get no guns. Go to play, Tristan.
So this is charging here. We'll wait for a minute. As you can see, I broke the LCD right there, so it's no good. And this is kind of happen, and that's why you always get an LCD just in case. What kind of child are we raising?
How did you land on the baby? quick. He's going fast. Oh, Gary, then you missed that one.
Okay, we got the battery back in. We got the glue around this. And just seal it back on and then put it under that pressure. 2 hours. And we're good to go here. And I'm Dustin with TechMD. If you want to become a tech, you can always go to our website, www.tech-md.com, and check us out. If you're already a technician and already know how to do stuff like this, you can definitely join our team. We're glad to have you still do your own thing, and we can send you business. Check us out. Thank you.